Alright. Starting the stream, just checking so that everything's working fine and dandy. There we go. Everything's working now, and so I'll just add there we go. There we go, and then I'll run the game. And I'll add a window capture for VS Debug. Oh, that's not what I'm looking for, is it? Looking for that. Put that over. There we go. I might actually just do a display capture for this. And just bite the bullet. There we go. There we go. Hope that I don't leak anything. There we go. Welcome to the stream. I'm actually gonna put up some music. Just put up that. Just put up some chill music while I'm developing. Oh. No. Just doing that. There we go. Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my channel, or another stream I mean. Today I am going to be making my game. I'm having a little game jam with some friends, and I thought why not make today's stream about coding that game. So you can see this is what I have right now. Playing as a little frog. We have a sort of gun here. So what I'm thinking currently is just having, because I want a small scope for the game. So what I'm thinking is just simple shoot 'em up. I'm gonna change the what I'm having as my restriction for this game is that I'm only using a using the NES palette with no restrictions on that palette as before you had, like on the NES you have to do like four colors per sprite or something. We're not doing that, but I am doing only the NES palette, which is this palette. So I gotta find like a nice ground color. I'm thinking this one is kind of moody. 138. Just change that. Ooh. And I'm using my own engine too, just for the hell of it. Can I just do hot reload on that? No. I haven't coded that in. So basically, this is kind of what I'm thinking. Sort of moody style, and then a frog that's just cleansing. That's just cleansing the world of Halloween. I know it's kind of dark, but we'll see. We'll see. This one is also in front. I'm gonna fix that later, but that's just not really an issue right now. So what I'm thinking mainly is to just implement some simple enemies right now, or actually shooting first, so we have that done. So I'm gonna need a sprite. Maybe just make a simple what's the, oh, I don't have that mapped. Oh, I thought I did. Just a simple Oh right, wrong palette. There we go. Maybe that one. No, not really. I think that's better. And then I just do a white. I've done that with the black background, so I'm gonna keep that. Is there no like just good red? Wait, what setting is my monitor on? I'm gonna keep it on that. I think this is good for now. Or actually, maybe just do that. No, that's too bland. No. Do that for now. On the bottom, no, not feeling it. Just do that for now. We can always change it later. So basically what I need. These are entities, or I would presume as entities. So I'll make a new, like, bullet filling. Bullet, and let's say, oh, I'm not Swedish. Bullet, and just make it a component. Generate the namespace and overrides. Remove these. I'll remove them if I don't need them. And then we'll generate the constructor for this. And then I'll include a speed and a direction. And I'm gonna keep these. It's gonna be 0, and then we want a private int angle, and I'm just gonna do this dot speed. Oh right, that's not naming convention etiquette, or whatever you call it, convention. This dot speed equals speed. This dot angle. I'm just gonna copy that. And then on the update we want get transform dot. What I want to do, I want to get the position really, and then just add a math f dot length there. That's not using that way. Oh, I didn't fix this. Length there. And then we're just gonna do length, which is speed, and then angle is the angle. Just do that, really. Ugh. Voice crack. This is really everything that we need, and now I just have to do on the update for the weapon. If mouse dot pressed, mouse button dot left, then I'm just gonna do a get parent. Oh wait, I'm gonna do just pressed really, and then do a get parent dot add entity. And I want to add a new entity. Really, I want to do it here. So we're doing entity bullet equals new entity. Does this take in a texture? It takes in a texture, right? It takes in a wait. Oh, it takes in a scene parent. Get parent. Dot parent. Yeah. And now I just want to add a bullet.use new. No. Oh, right. No, this is not what I want. Entity.new. And I want to a get parent dot parent, and then just here we want a new texture, and here I'm gonna put pass in bullet.png, and that's about it. Bullet also needs the bullet type, or new bullet. That's a component. I think that's fine, and then speed will just do. Oh, I think I have that here. Yeah, there. I think this is what I want. There we go. And I just want to, it's speed and then angle, right? Yep. So this one will be that. Parent will be bullet. And we want to add a bullet to entities, and now it should be done. We should have a firing engine. No, we got errors. Method must return a type. Huh? Oh. Simple. No error. Oh. Oh, you can update it. I could just do simple entity. List entity. Entity equals new. Temp entity list equals new list entity. So basically, what I could do now is just do entity list and do in entity list. That should fix the issue. Gotta restart the game. No. Oh, it did. There we go. Simple fix. Good that I found that. Bug. Yeah, that's already handled down there. And we also need a position, right? So that's when we're creating. So just do the position, and we set that to transform and then position. So now we should just have a rapid fire weapon. Yeah. I could actually go one step further here. And do a length there on the position. Plus length there. And do this to a, how large is this sprite? So we'll do, and it starts here on 3.5. 18 minus 3 is 14. 14. Like that? Like that. There we go. I think this will go a long way. No, 18. No, 16. 15. And now it should just, yeah, that looks a lot better. But definitely what I'm thinking is that shouldn't be rapid fire. But it is just pressed. I messed up in the code somewhere. How did I do this in my old code? In the game manager, LLB. I don't think I do this in the new one. No. We need to do this here. Mouse dot left mouse and last equals mouse. I don't think I changed it in here. No. Well, that's a little bit too slow. Why are you stubborn? How do I handle this? Oh. Yeah. Mouse, and then I declare them helpers. We do that event handler here. Where do I, most importantly, where do I use this? That is here. Hello.
Mic on. Mic feedback off.
Why are you annoying? Do it before, maybe? One, 2, 1. Yeah, it's definitely like random, or not random. Maybe I just check here. Debug.send mouse dot left mouse button. I could just do this in one line. How do I do that? I think it's just that. There we go. Left mouse button. And then we do mouse dot left mouse button last, and then we do a like that, so you can tell them apart. True, false. All right. What do you want? If we change it to press, we can probably see better. There is true all the time. Huh. Maybe actually that is better. I'll have to fix that later, but maybe that's not really what I wanted. Int fire rate. And just do a fire rate, and then we do and then fire rate is more than 60, and then we do fire rate plus plus, and then we do a fire rate equals 0. So basically now, and now it's gonna be every second, so that's a little bit too slow. Let's do 5. Yeah, there you go. Now it's gonna boom, 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 boom. Even if I spam click, it's only gonna be able to click every 5 frames. Not every 5 frames, every 5 ticks. It's a difference. There's a difference. And that definitely needs to be bigger. I think I'm just gonna do this to an 6 to begin with. And try this. For a change, and do and try that, perhaps. Too little response from the shots. Need to get some more responsiveness. So I could do, how do you implement a simple camera shake? How does one do that? Yeah, that's gonna be different, but maybe Gaming Studio 2 is something I would want. Wait, what? What? Well, what I could try is do a simple in the main game update. In like the scene, we add a bool camera shake equals 0 false, and then we do if camera shake camera If camera shake, then we have to do just offset the camera, but not move the camera. Because basically, I can't move the camera. That would be bad. So I need to offset camera. But how would I do that? How would you offset the camera? Basically, I need camera dot position plus equals that's not a function, is it? No. We need a new vector to random dot rand. We need to make a new random. Rand dot randint or next. I think it's next. -2. Okay, inclusive, exclusive, like that. And then we do rand dot next. And then we do maybe -4 or 5. Like that. And then we do vector to camera orig pause equals new vector int camera shake 0 camera plus plus if this is gonna be really sort of convoluted, but I'm gonna clean it up later. And then we do if oh. There we go. And then we do if camera shake frame equals 20, like 5, more like. Then we do camera dot position equals camera rig pause new vector to. Oh wait, I can just do camera rig pause dot clone, right? That's a function. Maybe not. No. Camera rig pause dot x. Camera rig pause dot y. Camera shake frame equals 0. And just do that. And then in this, when we shoot, where's the error? Oh. Bruh. I'm gonna change this just quickly. But I'm gonna have to switch that back later. Oh. Surprise, it didn't work. Oh. What? There we go. Actually really fucking good. Okay. I did not expect this to work. And then when you set for how long, like iteration. If camera shake duration is the new public and camera shake duration. Zero if camera shake counter is bigger than camera shake duration, camera shake equals false. We do that. And then we do here, we just do get parent dot camera shake duration equals, let's do 20 frames or 10. Got some southern accent there. Well, that didn't work. Camera shake duration to 10. That explains it. And then we also do a reset on the camera position, I feel like. Just to set it back. Oh, and we also have to reset the camera shake duration counter. Right. It's pretty aggressive, so I'm just gonna change the power. To 2 maybe? Or maybe 1, because these are pretty unintensive bullets. Alright. Not too bad. The bullets are too bland though. They need better recognition. Just make them feel a little bit more magical. See if that helps. I feel like those are pretty friendly bullets. We shoot the pink ones and then yeah. I don't want to get any feature creep on this project, so I'm trying to hold it pretty minimal. Maybe add some here. Maybe just add some random rand equals, and just to the length or to the direction here. A plus rand, and then we just add like 5 spread. No. And this one is also exclusive. There we go. Just do that. So that everything doesn't come to the same spot. That's quite a bit, but I feel like that's good. I don't really know what to add now because I want to add some monsters, but I also want to flesh out like the base first. What do I do? So what's the end goal of the game? So there are so like a bullet hell level based. And you think what the end goal is? Because I've got like a base now. What's the end goal? I mean, I could always start with enemies now, but I feel like that would end to me getting burned out, or like not having a solid enough base to the game. It's hard. I don't know. I really don't. Maybe add some like good, like some like eye candy, like some breakable boxes, just like just add some eye candy to the game. Huh. Maybe I add some enemies just to get the feel of it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So first let me organize the code a bit. So just add a new class. And just name that the player, so we have that. And just import everything except the main scene into that. That was not what I meant. Just do that, and then do that. And then also copy that. Oh, it fixed it. Just have a little bit more of an organized code base. Now add some enemies maybe. We just add a skeleton that's like a nade launcher kind of guy, like a or like a boom, and that shoots out a pumpkin that explodes as a grenade into like, yeah, I feel like that's good. And I feel like you should be able to get damaged by your own projectiles. Like, projectiles are universal. You don't shoot a projectile and you own it. That projectile is rogue. It's neutral. It shoots everybody. Skeleton. And just do a skeleton class. And here, so what we need is a public, or like a class skeleton. Maybe actually I just do this. Fuck it. And then we just generate everything. There we go. So what does the skeleton need to do? It needs to know where the player is. So basically what I can do, I can just do a quick there you go, now I can access the player from anywhere. Okay, let's just make a skeleton that always walks towards the player. Yeah, let's do that. So basically, every update, get the transform, position plus equals dot length there, 1 in a math dot get direction, origin is U, and the destination is parent dot player dot get transform dot position. That's so convoluted. And then let's just do a entity skeleton. And let's just make this a pumpkin in the beginning. Because I can't bother to drop a texture right now. There we go. And then we do and then we use a new skeleton controller. Skeleton. And then we do add entity, and then we just add add skeleton. Just like that. And now we should just have a pumpkin that always walks towards the player. Perfect! I love this code. It's so much cleaner than the previous one. And now it actually works. That was so easy to code. So now we have a pumpkin in like 4 lines of code if you take away the boilerplate. Alright, love it. So basically, so that's an entity, right? So we can do anything with that. Basically what I'm thinking is the skeleton walks until it's like maybe 200, because that is about 200 pixels. Until 200 away, it brings out a grenade launcher, it shoots a pumpkin against, and that's a grenade. That's a good idea. So, if math after get hypotenuse. Actually, I'm gonna change this to get distance to make it a lot more clear. There we go. And we want to get distance between, which is just this. And then we do is less than like, what is it? 200 we said. Yeah. Why is it complaining? Why are you complaining? Why is this? Huh? What are you complaining about? Oh, I'm stupid. There we go. If it's more than 200, then it walks towards else. What I wanted to do we want it to stop, which it does. Now it's gonna stop if it's more than 200 away. 200 is quite a bit. Set it to 100. Now it stops. And it shoots. And we can still shoot it back, yeah. So this will just, so now it's 200 away. So now it's 200 away, and then we'll just pop. And I'll just shoot a pumpkin. Alright. Actually, what I might do, do a simple. How do you make something? Oh, I can just saturation down. There we go. Oh right, I'm still doing the Nintendo palette thing. Actually, that isn't. It's a skeleton. They don't blush. There we go. And just make a. And just do completely empty-eyed. There we go. That's my. That's the skeleton for now. There you go. So now I can tell them apart. Hello. Did you not? No. I need to implement some error checking for if it doesn't find the texture, but there we go. That was spooky, spooky, spooky. That's my grenade launcher guy for now. Okay. So now it pew pews. And now this one needs to do a simple. Let's just add some timers here. So int shoot pumpkin, and then this resets. Shoot pumpkin counter equals 0. Shoot pumpkin plus plus. And then if shoot pumpkin counter is larger than, no, is larger than 20, then we want to copy some code from the player. That's a lot of code. And we just want to do that, except it uses the pumpkin. It doesn't change the fire rate, it changes the shoot pumpkin counter. And I want to get the direction. Get the direction 4 from our position towards the player. Dot player dot get like that. Remove that. Look at that. We've got a grenade launcher. Maybe I wanna wait. I wanna try something. It's just a small little angry. No, not really. I know how we fit this into like a small. Just empty-eyed. It's the angry little pumpkin. I'm gonna save that in a new layer so that I can remove it if I feel like it. But right now I want it. So I'm gonna save this as pumpkin.ace. And then I'm gonna export it as pumpkin.png. There we go. Hello, how's it going? It looks cool. Thank you. Welcome to the stream. Making a little we're making a little Halloween game. Some angry pumpkins. It's going great. Welcome to the stream. Oh. Not what I meant to open. I'm gonna see. I'm hoping to get something done today, but right now what I've done is some angry looking pumpkins. How long have you been coding? A long time. C#, 3 years. Coding in general, 6. No? Yeah, 6, 7 years coding in C#, 4. And C# is what I'm coding in right now. I started with Script, which is like a Minecraft plugin thing. Then I went over to Python, and then C#, and now I'm making games in C#. Some web programming in the middle, but that's the general look on it. Maybe up the timing here. Let's see here. I'm doubling. Yeah, the walking speed is too fast now. take that to 1. Um, yes, I remember my first game was in batch. It was Little Cookie Clicker. Yeah, I know. I probably have some old batch games somewhere, but I don't remember them. I think I tried to make some games in auto hotkey, which is I think that's worse because it's like the worst language. It's really messy, but it can do quite a bit, like in quite little code. But making games is not one of its strong suits. I want to see. Make a grenade class. Uh, uh, just have to generate everything. There we go. And basically, the grenade is just a copied bullet, but with some different stats. You're doing some good quality game. Yeah, I'm trying. I know how good it'll be though. But I'm hoping to get it done until Halloween, because I have a competition with some friends to get it done. So that's the deadline. We'll see if we'll see if I reach it. Like I got 83rd out of 123. It's just try to do it. It's a fun. It's a jam over 2 days, and yeah. Doing sprites good. I should learn doing some good quality sprites after it comes to experience. Yeah, sprites aren't. You don't really have to do any high quality sprites here. I think my sprites were pretty terrible in that jam, to be fair. Remove this. Parent dot. Just do that. I think it worked. It's in my own engine. It's very bad. It's not really engine. It's based on libstl. It's based on this thing, which is just like it helps you draw sprites and stuff. And then I've written some code to make it easier to use. Yeah, it's inspired by Monogame and Unity, but mostly the yeah, it's inspired by Monogame and Unity and like how you use it, but the code is mine. The only which kind of raises some problems because I don't have all the stuff that Monogame has. I would not recommend doing this, but I just felt like it would be a cool fun challenge. I am 15. Oh, hello, Vlad. I'm trying to speak English. But I'm gonna see. Maybe 20 would be good here. Maybe that's too slow. 30. Wait, what? 50? Oh my god, you're a god. I need to add some destruction things to that pumpkin. Oh. Where is it there? I saw you using parent stuff. Is that built-in engine functionality? Parent hierarchy is something I really miss in Monogame. Parents basically. So how it is I can open Notepad. I don't know if I'll be able to show it, but basically, so there are scenes. Then there are entities in those scenes, and there are components in those entities. So a parent through a component interacts with the a component's parent is the entity, and then the entity of the parent of the entity is the scene. So it basically allows for a simple interactions between components and the scenes that they're in. So that's just how I interact with like other entities through components and stuff. So for example, the camera shake here is the camera shake is implemented in the scene, and then I call the camera shake from the player by doing get parent camera shake. It's a little janky right now. The API is still in its development phase. I started working on this rework of my previous. This is my previous engine, and this is what I'm basing it off. But it's kind of bad. But like this stuff, I'm hoping to bring down to something like get seen or something. But right now, decide how I do it because it allows me to visualize it instead of having a lot more abstraction than needed. That's cool. Though get parent is a bit whack. Yeah, yeah. I'm hoping to add some. Where are you from? I'm from Sweden. The chilly country of Sweden. My room is really cold. That's why I'm in a large hoodie. Mess up my. I almost just messed up my mic.
Mic on. Mic
Oh.
feedback off.
How was that? My headphones are a little bit whack. I'm gonna see here. A sprite. There we go, and then just do a. Just do the bottom layer maybe. Like do that. And just remove the top layer maybe, and just do a destroyed bumpkin. Something like that maybe. Continue, you're doing great. I'm gonna need sleep, have a day night, I don't know. I'll come back another time for sure. See ya. Have a good time. I think that's good. Hejsan, hur går det? Jag får ta igen på en veckas skoljobb nu när jag har haft feber, så får se hur det går. Hej då. Och gå och plugga. Ja. Ses imorgon. Får se hur det går. Schema. All right. So in the skeleton, in like the bullet here, I'm thinking we just add a new entity. We do a new entity, bullet residue, and we do a get parent dot parent. Oh wait, no, that's not entity dot new, and then we do get parent dot parent, and the texture is a new texture, which is pumpkin destroy.png. And we do a bullet residue dot get we get the transform, and then we do the position, and we set that to the position of our bullet, which is get transform. And then we do get parent dot add dirty bullet residue. And I'm gonna put this before actually, so that I don't have any weird parent issues. And then add, in the update, I add if and just do a for each entity and in get parent dot entity list if mathf dot get distance from the transform of us to e dot get transform position is less than like 5, less than 20 maybe. Wait, how many? No, 10. Huh? No, like that. Yeah, there you go. You joke. Then we also do this. Actually, I should probably do a list entity e equals new list entity, and we just do a copy this e list, so that I don't get any reference issues. And if that's less than 10, then we destroy this also. Oh. No. Ten, but we just do so that it creates the bullet at like 25. Why is that the closest it can get? Yeah. Actually, maybe I just bite the bullet and just do it so that it's just the player. Scene dot player. There we go. Now it stops when it shoots the player. And when it dies, I also want to shoot out bullets. Like a nade. But I think that's going to be for another time. So, thank you all for watching this stream. And I'll see you all tomorrow. See ya.